Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Realme 3 Pro smartphone that's launched today in India. The Realme 3 Pro comes with one major upgrade from the Realme 3 or the 2 Pro as well, with the inclusion of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset, while the design is almost the same that we saw on the Realme 3 with the top-notch display and a plastic kind of back which comes with a glossy finish. So let's unbox quickly and then check out what all the phone offers and what all comes in the box package. So this is the box package, similar to how the box package of the Realme 3 was. And now we'll check out the box package of the Realme 3 Pro, which has everything basic on the box itself. And there are some specs mentioned towards the bottom. That's the rear 16MP plus 5MP combination and a 25MP front-facing camera. It comes with a 4050 mAh battery and this the 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. So from the Realme 3 to Realme 3 Pro, one major upgrade again is about the display as well, since you get a better pixel density, a sharper display with a 1080 to 2340 pixels of screen resolution. So now let's open the box package. So this is the first thing here. Welcome to the Realme family. So this has the set of different accessories. That's the SIM ejector tool first, which shows up here. So here's the SIM ejector tool that comes out first. Let's embrace a new journey. So this is basically for the buyers. We have the review opportunity. We keep checking out all the Realme phones, and this is the transparent rubber cover to protect the back and side of the phone. And this has the flap for the micro USB port. I personally don't like these flaps because you always have to pull them out whenever you want to charge the phone, and they stay there out whenever the phone is charging. And since the phone isn't waterproof or any way IP certified, you don't really need those flaps, though it does give an extra protection sometimes. And then there's this quick start guide and also the information guide as well as the warranty booklet. So those are the different accessories and the booklets given there. Next thing is this phone itself. So this is the Realme 3 Pro. Let me pull this out. We already have actually used the device, so this might show you some smudges and fingerprints. And this is the glossy back. It has some lines and striations that you see towards the top, going all the way towards the bottom. It's not very clear in artificial light. If you see this under the sunlight, it's easily visible. And there's the Realme logo towards the bottom. Let's finish off the physical aspect and then check out the other accessories and box contents. So this is a 16 plus 5 megapixel camera combination on the back, and there's a fingerprint sensor, the Realme branding towards the bottom, and this does feel like the plastic back that we had seen on the Realme 3 as well. Towards the bottom are these things. So that's the speaker grill, the micro USB port, the microphone, as well as the 3.5 headset jack. Towards the left are the two buttons. That's the volume rocker buttons, and there's this SIM tray. Let me take the SIM tray out and show you what all it does offer here. It should be similar to how it was on the Realme 3. So there should be three slots, and there are actually three slots. Two are for the nano SIM cards and one is for the micro SD card. So there's a dedicated micro SD card slot. On the right is the power button, and on the left, on the top, is this secondary microphone. On the front, what you see is the 6.3-inch display with the 1080 to 2340 pixels of screen resolution, 25MP front-facing camera. The earpiece grill is towards the junction on the top, and there's only a chin towards the bottom. And the side bezels are not so much. And that is it about the physical aspect. Now let's check out the other accessories in the box package. So interestingly, one good thing that Realme has done this time is it offers the VOOC charging. That's the 20-watt fast charging. It's 5V4A output that is given from this charger, and it's actually faster than most of the competition in this price range. We have seen the best of 18-watt charging that we had seen on the Xiaomi smartphone, the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and the other phones don't really offer this much. And even the Realme 3 had 10-watt charging, not more than that. But one thing that Realme missed out here is with the USB connectivity. It does still offer the micro USB and not the Type C. So this is the micro USB cable that is given in the box package. So these are the different accessories and everything. Now let's get back to the device. So this is the phone. This is the ColorOS 6.0 that is based on Android 9 Pie. And what you see here are these things. Firstly, the app drawer, which I would say Realme has done a good job. Thankfully, last time as well on the Realme 3 there was the app drawer, which was not present on the previous ColorOS devices from Oppo and Realme both. But there are quite a lot of pre-installed applications that you might not really want to use, so you can uninstall them. That's easy to do that. So that's another good thing. They are not locked there, you can remove them. Some of them we have installed, but there are some apps such as Daily Hunt, and also that's Web Novel, as well as ShareChat, UC Browser. These kind of things we really don't use on day-to-day life, so we might easily uninstall them. And the interface actually looks quite decent and neat. And under these options, you see all those security options such as fingerprint, face, and passcode. So you have all the options that are needed. That's the regular pin pattern password, as well as the face unlock and the fingerprint security. Fingerprint scanner is present on the back of the phone. There is convenience aid where you have some options such as navigation keys, assistive ball, and also the smart sidebar. Gesture and motion features are also there. And there's security settings, battery settings, as well as the other options where one of the important ones is this game space, where you can manage the games, have the game assistant always active, and you can restrict the notifications, restrict the data usage by the apps when you are trying to play games such as PUBG Mobile, some large games. And one interesting thing is, which we would be doing in the gaming review, you can actually play Fortnite on this. We have installed Fortnite already, and you can play Fortnite on this. We'll be doing the Fortnite gaming review on this to show you how good the Fortnite gameplay is and how good the chipset is able to handle it, the Snapdragon 710. Now moving into the last aspect of this phone, it's the camera of the device. It's a 16MP plus 5MP combination on the back, but the 16MP camera comes with the f1.7 aperture, which is quite a good one because it takes in more light during low light captures. So we'll be doing a separate camera review anyway. But to show you a quick view of how the app looks like, it has the options such as photo, video, portrait, and if you go into the other settings, you see the nightscape, panorama, expert mode, time lapse, slow motion, and Google Lens. So there's Google Lens support given here. If you go into the video mode and go to the resolution, you can see that there is 4K video capture that is possible with this. So 4K video recording at 30 FPS is possible on this phone. And these are all the settings that you see in this camera application of the Realme smartphone, Realme 3 Pro. Now moving into the front facing camera, this is the 25 megapixel camera that is given on the front. It's a single lens camera, it doesn't have any LED flash, but it does take in quite a good light, and also it looks good. We have large lights here, so it's obviously bright, but the face is being recognized quite well. And there are options for portrait and this. And under portrait, even in the live view of portrait, you see that everything else is quite well blurred. But that's an early thought of this, and there are options for thinning the face, making the face smaller, and the chin sizes, eye size, nose size, everything can be changed. Or you could directly go to the natural option and remove all the smoothness that you would get with the AI option. So that is one thing with the selfie camera, and you can also capture the videos, but that is limited to up to 1080p videos with this 25MP front facing camera. And for the other options for the selfie, you get panorama and time lapse. Only two options are given here. Apart from that, you have the video and photo, and there's the beautification option as well. So that is it with the selfie camera as well. It is a 25 megapixel camera. There's HDR support given for the selfie camera, and it does look good. It actually looks good with the front facing camera. It's an f2.0 camera that is given here, but we'll be talking more about it in the camera review that we'll be doing later, and it would be including both the front and the rear facing camera. So this was all about the Realme 3 Pro smartphone. It comes with a 4045 mAh battery, 20-watt charging support, and we'll be anyway doing the separate reviews for you to understand whether this is a good phone to compare with the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and the others in the same price range. So this was all about the Realme 3 Pro. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.